What is the shape of sound? You don't see it, of course, but it's always there, giving a place, a sense of being, shaping the way you feel. With music studio lineups, I wanted to give a form to this feeling. The sound becomes something you sense, almost a presence that lives in your space. For me, design is about distilling a form. Its material, its function, to something very essential. Because when you reach this point, kind of balance appears. Quiet flexibility that makes it timeless. I drew inspiration from the circle and the dot. The circle to me is really the pure familiar shape. And maybe the dots were kind of building a melody. From there, the group of music studio lineups started to take form. They were simple in their geometry, but strong, deep, and very quietly unique. Samsung Engineering brought this idea to life. From the front, they've been building the body, and they gave the shape its full resonance. Because what matters in the end is that sound that can fill a space, that can enrich your experience. Most speakers are forgotten the moment the sound stops. But music studio lineups are different, because even in silence, they will blend naturally into everyday life. Their quiet presence shapes the atmosphere around you. These are music studio lineups where sounds becomes a presence.